Today I'm showing you guys how to stop your ropes from fraying out or loosening out, and this was a fun activity for me when I was a kid. So if you want to know how to do this, stay tuned for the video. Here is your culprit. I got this rope from, I think it was Walmart, and the moment I cut it, I realized that it started fraying. It was so annoying. But then I remember this childhood thing that I used to do, and I used to do to my laces too. When your laces, you know that plastic thing that goes around your lace, it's called an aglet. This didn't come with an aglet because it's not a pair of laces, but because of the structure of the rope, it's just fraying out. It's really annoying. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to mend that. Remember, please don't leave it without subscribing if you're not subscribed as yet, and if you're subscribed, hit the notification bell. No, it's very simple. All you need is like a light or a matchstick, some form of something with heat, and then you need a scissors. Now you need the scissors to cut the additional fray off, the excess fraying. And before this starts fraying, all you need to do is light it up, and you don't have to use your fingers like what I'm doing. It's not really hot, but it's not really cold, it's a bit warm, and it seals the edge. Now you could use like a garden glove or a piece of napkin or rag or something to help you seal the edges off, but I find that it works best just using my bare hands. It's not that hot. I also advise that you use parental supervision or an adult who could supervise you. You know, you don't want to get in trouble using fire. So I'm just going to seal it a bit more. I'm going to let it cool for a bit because it was on fire. And then I just squeeze it together until it has been completely sealed. Now this should not fray, and if it frays again, you just follow the process all over again. Have you hit the notification bell as yet? Or have you subscribed? Have you liked? Have you commented? And will you share the video at the end of the video? Please do. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye now.